Running a six-figure business is already demanding enough. You're juggling client calls, managing your team, and actually delivering results to your clients. The last thing you want to do is spend your time figuring out YouTube. But here's the one thing, if I wanted to do six-figure business today, I wanted to scale without relying on paid ads or cold outreach, YouTube would be my number one focus. And that's what I'm actually doing right now. And after helping hundreds of business owners generate millions of views and generate thousands of dollars in sales through YouTube, I can tell you exactly what I would do to make it work without sacrificing my business operations. Now, most business owners fail at YouTube because they try to do everything all at once. They think they need daily uploads, multiple channel types, complex editing, fancy equipments. But actually, when you're running a business, you don't really have time for all of that. And those things don't really matter if you're just starting off on YouTube. Here's what I would actually do. Film just 1 to 2 hours a week. Invest those 1 to 2 hours mainly in researching the content, scripting out basic outline, and then just recording those videos. And I would focus and make sure that these videos are 10 to 15 minutes but have high valuable content. I would just set up my iPhone as a camera rather than buying expensive cameras and gears. Now that you understand the minimum effort you need to put in every week to just succeed on YouTube, let's talk about the content strategy that will actually drive the real results. I would just want you to forget all that you've heard about till this point, making viral hit videos, following the latest trends, and trying to go viral overnight. Here's what actually works in 2025. A strategic content mix that takes your viewers from discovery to decision. The first focus you should have is creating problem solution videos. Now, these would be the 40% of your overall content per month, and these are mainly the top of the funnel content that cast a wider net. These content help you attract the masses in your market, right? Now, some of the examples for these videos would be your content around pain points of your audience. So you're answering them why and what type of problems and giving them solutions. Second type of videos that come under problem and solution videos is industry trends and insights that about your specific target market that shows you as an expertise. Third would be high search intent keyword topics that your ideal clients are searching for. And fourth and last would be education content that builds authority for you, right? So these are 4 types of content that you should be creating in the problem solution aware bucket. Now these should be 40% mix of overall your videos per month. These helps you reach out to your masses, help them figure out their problems, give answers to the problems of your exact ICP. Second type of content that you should have in your bucket is action-based content. That is 30% of overall your content bucket. These are like mainly middle of the funnel content that showcase your expertise in action in front of your ideal audience. The type of videos that would come under the action-based videos would be detailed and how-to guides and process breakdowns around your industry topics, behind the scenes of how you solve specific problems, step-by-step tutorials and implementation guides, free value that demonstrates your methodology. The third and the most important part of this strategy is proof and success story videos. These are like a 30% mix of your overall content. Again, these are bottom of the funnel videos that close the deals for you, right? Some of the best ideas could be client transformation stories and interviews, detailed case study breakdowns of how you help your client grow from X to Y, showing the results with real numbers, showing examples of implementing your steps, showing that your system actually works and performs. So you see how each type of content builds on the other. Your problem videos attract the right audience, your action-based videos demonstrate your expertise, and your proof-based videos show that you can deliver the results. Now that you know exactly what type of content to create every month, now let's talk about how you can actually get it done without overwhelming yourself. For that, the key is creating sustainable content systems that don't rely on you. The first thing I would immediately do as a six-figure business owner is I would immediately hire a content team. Someone like us who can take over your end-to-end content work and you just got to record those videos. If you're not ready for that, then I would highly suggest you at least just hire a video editor. That's the most low leverage task you should outsource ASAP if you are a business owner. Now that you have hired an editor, the second thing would be creating a content calendar on the strategy that we just discussed, while ensuring these videos target high intent keywords. Third thing I would do is build templates around scripting, build templates around thumbnails so it's easier and I don't have to invest much more time into it. I would set up automated content distribution across all the platforms, so I'm not investing a lot of time uploading these videos, distributing across all the platforms one by one. Now, this isn't just a theory, it's exactly how our successful clients are crushing it on YouTube right now. One of our clients, Virtual Bacon, a crypto expert, went from 0 to 40,000 monthly recurring revenue and also generated 2.4 million views in just 90 days following their systems. A bunch of videos of a SaaS tool called Waybook, their videos are ranking in top 3 in bunch of major keywords in their niche. And you know what they have all in common? They just spend 2 hours per week recording the content. Everything else is automated through this system. No editing, no thumbnail design, no SEO, just show up, record the videos, and let the system do its work. Now that you have systems in place, let's focus on creating these as long-term assets that keep delivering results, and not just views, but actual sales. The real power of YouTube is not just short-term wins. That's where it is better than other platforms like Instagram or Twitter. These videos are SEO optimized and are caved into the algorithm. They are fit there. Anytime someone can go and watch those. These videos are evergreen. These videos are come under suggestions to your audience all the years. The real win is in building the channel that generates you leads for 5 to 10 years. Now for that, I would focus on creating content that is evergreen and stays relevant for over the years. I would SEO optimize these videos when uploading so that these videos rank all the time. Building the content library that compounds over the time. So each video is connected to the past one or the new one, right? So let's say someone watches my video 1, they would get the answers, they would get the problem solved, then they would go on video 2, and then they would video 3, and they would just keep watching my videos and get nurtured by my content. Creating system that scale with or without you. And that's exactly how you would build YouTube as your long-term asset that books you 10 to 15 calls every month for years to come. So that's exactly what I would do if I was starting on YouTube while actually running a 6-figure business. No fluff, no complexity, just proven system that works. And the best part, you only need just 1 to 2 hours per week to make that happen. So if you're running a successful business and you don't want to rely on paid ads and cold outreach to generate new sales and clients for yourself, click the first link in the description to learn more about our done for you YouTube sales engine. We guarantee 10 to 20 qualified calls monthly within 90 days, or you don't pay. We handle everything from content research to editing to SEO, while you just focus on what you do the best, running your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content around scaling your business through organic content, and I'll see you in the next one.